the movie was pretty good. What did you think?
Pretty good. It was terrible. The pacing was off, and every other actor played the same lame, unlikable character.
Really? I thought it was really great, and I thought it showcased how petty and nihilistic the world is today. Could you not see that?
What? That's a stretch.
Ugh.
What are you walking for?
Okay, so we can get where
We're
we're
already
going.
going down the same pace. We don't need to. It's not a race, dude.
Okay, whatever.
Agree to disagree?
I guess we're not as compatible as I thought.
I guess not.
You know, this is the worst second date ever. You didn't even buy lunch. I bought the movie tickets and I had to pay for my own popcorn.
Well, hold on. This was a post-lunch date, and that popcorn was free with your two $5 rewards. And I drove. That's gas. Have you seen the prices lately?
Okay, whatever. Let's just find your car so I can go home and I don't have to see your face again.
Likewise.
Where'd you park?
Well, the space was yellow, which is that way, I believe.
You don't remember where you parked.
Oh, see, yellow, right up ahead.
That's orange.
Is now a bad time to mention I'm colorblind?
Yeah.
They're doing it again.
Thought you were on a walk.
I was a strolling scroll. Look at their stories. Jordan's story, Jess's story,
So?
Jazz's story.
The breakfast looks good. We should go there sometime.
Can't believe they went out again without me.
Oh, I'm sorry, babe.
Starting our ascent, Franklin Canyon Park. That's it. I'm not taking it anymore. I'm crashing. Come on, grab your keys, let's go.
But the game.
Pause it and you can watch it later.
I'll see spoilers.
Then stay off your phone.
I'll be back for you.
Ooh, what if we use that feature on maps that tells you where you last parked your car?
This is a 2011 SUV. I have to manually turn the headlights on and off.
Hey, jeez. You know what's sickening? Nice car, after nice car, after nice car. The rich don't have to worry about spending extra time in the mall after a movie. They don't need validation. $12 is just another drop in the bucket for them.
Generationally wealthy people, Nepo babies, and tech bros, all with their disposable income. You know, if I ever made it rich and got one of these fancy cars, I would remember
Hey.
people like...
You got $5?
Oh, I don't carry cash on me.
I've got Venmo, Zelle.
No, sorry.
Y'all have the same excuses.
No, thank you.
You know, people are all the same. Don't care about the lesser than.
We're just trying to find his car.
$5, I'll find it for you.
Fine. Do you have Cash App?
Okay, we're gonna have to run up a bit to catch up to them, okay?
Run. When's the last time you ran?
It's fine. We're gonna be fine.
Can't we just catch them on the descent? Leslye! Les!
I can do that for you.
Oh, thank you so much. What a good Samaritan. Ow, what was that for?
You just handed your car keys to a homeless man.
Maybe not my smartest move.
It's okay. You know, your car's a piece of crap. I'm sure the homeless man won't want it anyway.
That's not it. There are 2 levels to this parking garage. Must have parked on the other floor.
Well.
Leslye?
You thought I wouldn't find out? Little old Leslye wouldn't find out that you're hanging out without me? You were just gonna hang out without me. Like, oh, the married girl isn't gonna wanna hang out with a bunch of single ladies. Well, guess what? You thought wrong. You could call me agente secreto, because I caught you con las manos en la masa.
I thought you said you were busy on Saturdays. Something about spending more time with Xandro?
Did I say that?
Besides, Jess is in a long-term relationship. Almost 9 months. And we still invited her.
That's different. Wait, you guys didn't do this on purpose?
Of course not.
At least not this time.
I'm sorry, guys. Oh.
Does anyone have water?
Nice Padres jersey. Brutal loss, man.
I'm sorry, honey. Some water.
Found the car.
See, it all worked out. Oh shoot, my shift just started, and I'm gonna be fired if I don't head straight there. Do you mind if I drop you off within walking distance of your house, just like a mile or two? What?
Hey, where do you work?
At a juicery.
Mind if I come along?
Sure, hop in.
Smells kind of funny in here.
Don't ask.
Achoo.